Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated line graph in Tableau. So stay with me till the end so that you will understand what are the key things which you have to note it. So let me just connect to the Excel file. So click on this Microsoft Excel. Okay. So the thing is, like, this is where your connections, your all the data to be connected will be available. You have to click on this Excel and then click on the data connection practice. Click open. Your Excel file will be opened here. So now you have to select what are the tables you are planning to use it here. Okay, so I just wanted only this order table. I just dragged and moved it into the space, and then once you have dragged and dropped it, you have to switch it to the sheet one. So here you can find this is the sheet one. Just click on this sheet one. You can find your data available here. Okay, so now let us create an animated line chart, that is a motion chart. Okay, so for that, if you want to create any line chart, you need date. Okay, the date column is set, that is a date attribute is very important. So here these are all my dimensions, and then you can see these are all my measures. So I need a date column. So what I'm going to do is what I'm going to pick this order date. Okay, so just bring this order date to the columns, move it there. So once you have dragged and dropped the order date to the columns, like it will just create your order date. It will bring your order date here. Okay, so once it is there, you can see there is a plus symbol near year. Okay, so here you can see there is a plus, which means that you can drill down further. So if you wanted to see as an animated one, at least you should have, if you are going to see as an animated for year, at least you should have 5 years to be shown as an animation. So I have month here and I have only 4 years, so I'll just go with the month. Okay, so I want to just go ahead with plus. I'll just expand this plus, and even more I'm expanding this plus where I'll be getting the month. Okay, just remove these two years and orders, and now you can see you have month here. Okay, now I want to view some measure, right? Either sum of sales or a profit or something. So I'm just moving sales to the rows. So here you can see this is your line graph. Okay, so this is your line graph. We have created the line graph. Now I want to move the same month order date of month to the page shelf. So here you can see this is a page shelf. Why should I drag it as a page shelf? Because first one, this because it has to you have to create it as an animated graph, right? Animation in the sense it should be like a page wise. So for that we are just moving this order date to the pages. Okay, and here you have to change the page to month here. Okay, and you can see once you have changed the page to the month, you can see a dot here. Okay, now I want to change this as a circle. So how I can change this? You have to go to the marks card, click on this marks card and make it as circle. So you can see a big circle here. So once you have added something to the page table, you can find that the page table page properties properties are available here on the right side, that is month of order date. You can see here. So here you have to do some you have to enable some property. Okay, so you have to click on the show history. Okay, so you can click on the show history, check here. The thing you have to change is what marks to show history is what all. You have to change this to all. Length is already all. Okay, and show marks, you have to show both the things, like it has to move it around. And then other than this, you can just leave it as such. So let us just change this all, both. Okay, so once you have changed this, you have to press play button. So let us just click on this play button. This is what the play button. So click here where you can see that your animated bar graph, your graph is running. I'm not clicking anywhere. I just I took my hands away from the mouse cursor. You can see it is animating. Okay, it's moving. And on the top you can see what is that in the December, and right from December towards the November. So if it is not running properly, then what you have to do is what you have to go to your format and check whether this animation is enabled. Okay, if it is not showing any animation, you have to go to the format, click on animations and check whether it is on, and what is the duration you want to go ahead with, whether it is a medium or something. You can just check this. Okay, now let us see with the year. Okay, I am just going to create another sheet. Okay, so here you can just click here and click on the sheet, and now I'm just going to use the same thing, order day to the columns, but I'm going to leave it as a year as well. And then I'm going to go with the profit. Okay, so you can see here you have the profit, and I'm going to use the same order day to the pages. And here I'm just going to change these properties like all. And here you cannot see both, because like you are seeing what, like, you wanted to see what is the difference between the previous month and the present month, right? So that is where we are supposed to do, like, you have to drill down further to bring in your animated bar chart. Okay, so that is possible only with the month, because only month you can see various months, like how the sum of odd sales is happening, and that too is for the specific thing. So you can just try this. Okay, so here you can just change the circle, and just if you just click play, it will move, but you cannot see the trial one, like how the previous one and the present thing, you cannot see that, because like we are using the order date here. So now let us drill down to the quarter, and let's see whether quarter is that enabled. Okay, let us change it to the quarter, and let's see. Yes, it is enabled, and for the quarter it is enabled. And let's play this, like what is the changes for the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Great, so it is showing for the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. So this is how you can create the animated line chart with Tableau. And if you want to change the color, you can just click on this color, change the color. And for example, if you feel like, if you want to change the size, you can change it. Label, if you want to show something in that, like sales as well, you can just change the labels, where you can see like how it is moving ahead. So what is a label? Okay, so that is also possible. So you can just do some more changes over here, right? So this is how actually this chart works. Okay, so if you want to format here, you can also find it here to the formatting. Now let us try to play this, see like how it is working. This is for marks, it is showing. Okay, so for the trial, how you want to see, and you can also see the marks here. Okay, so yes, now you can change it. Okay, so this is how you can do some more add-ons to your Tableau as well. So yes, we have completed what how to create an animated bar chart. So I have already uploaded lots of video about Tableau in my playlist. Okay, so you can go and check for Gomes Tech Talks channel, where you can find lot of tutorials right from the beginning towards the end. Like I'll be just adding here, so you can find it. Okay, so just scroll down. So this is what Tableau for you, and Tableau prep builder, you can find everything here. Okay, and this is my store, you can find my store here, so where you can find 100 plus Tableau questions for those who are planning to write the exam. And this is a Tableau lab manual for the beginners. Okay, you can find it here as well. And you can also, if you require any one is to one guidance, like a personal guidance for you on your career, or for your research, your interview preparation, mock interview, career guidance, you can just schedule a call here, I'll be happy to help you. So that's all for the today's video, and I'll just come up with the excellent videos where you can see, like, instead of the traditional visuals which are available in the Tableau directly, how you can create a different visual. That is what we are going to see. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. I'll see you soon in the next video.